Okay, I have to find out who this person is that subscribed. Hello, little kitty. Hello. Hello, little kitty cat. You have to start cleaning your face. You have to lick your paw. Here, lick your paw, and then wash your face. Wash off those eyes. Here you go, lick it. You're not doing it. For me to lick it? Lick. Here, lick your paw. Lick your paw. I put my fingers on your paw. Okay, now get your paw nice and wet. And then we can wash your face. You don't have it figured out yet, do you? Is this the way you just sit with me? You just bite me? No, we don't bite Mommy. It's not nice. I'm not another kitty. I know you love me. Doesn't do that because you'll scratch their eyes out. Now you see I have my... He likes to come and watch my mouse. See, he's watching it now. No, is that it? You're going? I'll catch him later.